Yo, back again for another quick video. Pen we're using is a Tombow Furunosuke. Honestly, I don't give this pen much love as I should. Quote is gonna be, oh my God, did y'all hear the rain? Well, no, that wasn't rain, that was thunder. The quote I'm gonna be doing is, your only limit is you. That's one of my favorite quotes. Let's go ahead and get scripty with it, shall we? I can dig it for something quick, nice and light, and as with any piece that you're working on, you could go in, clean it up, expand it. Well, this is Friday, it's quick, ready for the weekend. Peace and love.